You are getting sneak peek early access to Amazon Prime Day deals 2024. Amazon Prime Day is one of our favorites around here, and there are so many good lead-up deals that are already starting now that will actually be through Prime Day, so you can grab the deals early. We have a whole range in today's video, so make sure to stay tuned to the end. Some really great home, all the way to some best-selling fashion finds that I am so excited about the deals, so let's jump in. Kicking it off with the 3-in-1 wireless charger. So this is currently 26% off, originally $40, and it's now down to $29. I like to preface this videos by saying at any point these deals are subject to change. Amazon can fluctuate them depending on a variety of reasons, but this is what the deals are currently and what they should be, but they can fluctuate. This little charger is the best for travel. You don't need to take 3 different separate charging cords, blocks, and all the things. You can just take this little on-the-go charging cord that can do your phone, your Apple AirPods, and your Apple Watch at the same time. It's also great to take with you to school, to work, because it's small and compact and comes in a few color options. Our favorite 7-foot olive tree. I have multiple of these in my home. There's actually 2 that are on deal right now. The first one is 15% off, which brings it under $93. This one has a few more stems than the one that I have, but it's still by the same brand. It has like the very realistic olives on them. I mean, these trees are just beautiful. And then they also have the style that I have that is a little bit less, originally 90 down to 77. So you can kind of pick and choose, but these look gorgeous in an entryway, in the corner of a room, in a bedroom. And when I tell you we have like 3 of these in our house, we do. Some amazing fashion deals happening. So the best-selling Samba look for less sneakers. Sambas have been like so hard to get your hands on. Plus they're pricier. Opt for this look for less option from Amazon. And today you're getting an additional 20% off, which brings them under $40. The most comfortable sneakers. You will get so much wear out of them. They come in a few color options. I went with the neutral just so it would go with everything. And like always, everything is listed down below in the description box. Super simple to shop in order that you've seen them here in the video, as well as pinned as the top comment. So you can go to either of those spots. And speaking of shoes, we all need a really good shoe cleaner. 31% off of one of my absolute favorites. This has been my tried and true go-to, bringing it under $9. I love the Miss Mouth brand. I use their laundry stain remover and it works like a charm. This is great for shoes. You can use it on kiddos' shoes. You can use it on your own shoes, all different types of fabrics. Works so well, and a little bit goes a long way. Just take a little rag and scrub it and you should be good to go. I cannot believe it, but fall is right around the corner, and one of our favorite oversized cardigans. I've shared this last fall season in 3 to 4 different color options. It's one of my absolute favorites. Really nice high quality ribbed material. Now I did size up to a large because I was expecting, but I just in general, if you like to wear this with leggings, you want it to cover the bum, size up one, but it comes in a wide range of color options. And we're seeing that 30% off early Prime Day deal. Another great sweater if you're thinking fall is this Barefoot Dreams Look for Less sweater. We're seeing this 31% off. I've shared this in the ice blue and the white, and it's just a top selling sweater here on Amazon. So I was excited that it was already running on deal, and I wear my true to size small here. So many good popular sweaters on deal. We're also seeing the trending viral black and white, that kind of grandma style cardigan that's very in right now. We're seeing that 45% off. So it has a 25% off plus an extra 20% off coupon to clip. Wearing size small, I love to style this sweater over my shoulders or paired with some denim shorts or denim jeans. It's just a must-have. Another gorgeous fashion item is this Eyelid top. I love the detail Eyelid in the summertime, and I love the longer sleeves of this one, just the details around the neckline. It's just beautiful. Comes in a wide range of color options. I'm wearing my true to size small. Looks amazing with just some shorts or dressed up for work. If you are a fashion necessity are the nipple covers, or if you often wear like strapless tops or tops that you don't want to show your bra on, these are amazing. They're actually reusable. You can just wash and wear them again. And I've tried out a decent amount of these, and this brand is my go-to. I feel like they last the longest. They're the best quality. So we're seeing them early Prime Day deal, 53% off, which brings them under $14. So closet must have. Another gorgeous blouse that you can wear casually with shorts or dressed up for work is this sleeveless blouse. Quality is amazing. Feels like something that I should have gotten from Nordstrom. They have a 25% off plus an extra 5% off coupon you can clip. It comes in a wide range of color options. I've actually styled this tied up with a pair of denim shorts for more of a casual look, and then I've also styled it with some slacks for work. The most comfortable jumpsuit. I love the smock top on this pink jumpsuit. It has nice thick straps that you can wear whatever bra with it. This is also a great travel outfit. If pink is not your color, it does come in a wide range of color options as well. I'm 5'8.5". I'm wearing my true to size small. The fabric on this is just incredible. So soft. It also features pockets as well, which is always a win, but you don't have to fidget with any zippers or buttons. 17% off, which brings it under $30. I am obsessed with our linen curtains. We have them in our living room as well as our sunroom. I'm sure you've seen them in videos before, but rarely do they run on deal. We are seeing them 15% off, which brings them under $44. Come in a few color options, but these are so on trend. I love the sheer style. It just looks so elegant, and it is actually insane how putting up a pair of curtains, a set of curtains, can completely kind of pull a room together. I'm looking at them right now and I just can't imagine this room without them. I know this is a little bit bougie, but it has been a bestseller on Amazon, the towel warmer, and my favorite is in the fall and the winter season. You can throw your pajamas in there, and then when you get out of the shower, it's like the best feeling ever. But if you have little kiddos, you can throw your towel in there for yourself, throw your towel in, a facial cloth in there, and then when you get out, it's all warm and just so cozy. You can throw your robe in there in the morning if it's chilly. I mean, there's so many uses for this towel warmer. Originally 130, now down to 98. It looks stunning in your bathroom in the corner of a room. I have shared these makeup brushes before. I have used these for 5 to 6 years now. Honestly, I'm shocked with the price, but they're actually running an early Prime Day deal, 33% off, which brings the whole set under $8. And it has all of the eye brushes, all of the face brushes that you need, and they're so soft. They apply your makeup beautifully, and honestly, when I wash them, the hairs don't fall out. I don't know how they are the price that they are, but they are a 10 out of 10. If you are an iced coffee lover or just you love coffee in general, I have been a fan of this Hyperchiller coffee little container. For 2 years, it's 30% off, which brings it under 18. So basically, if you brew a hot cup of coffee in your Keurig, Nespresso, coffee machine, or whatever, you keep this little container in the freezer, and then when you have your hot cup of coffee, you just dump it in, and in under a minute, it will turn your hot coffee cold. So then you can make the most amazing iced coffee beverage, iced matcha, whatever you're making, and it's not going to melt all the ice. And like if you didn't use the chiller, and then you just have like a watery coffee mess. So under 18, and a great gift idea. I actually already ordered this new laundry hamper. I have heard so many people rave about this. Originally 122, now down to 103, but I love that it has the separate sides. So you can do like colors, you can do whites, you could do your husband, your kids, yourself, your kids, you know, keep everything separate. And I love that it also looks very aesthetic. So you can keep this in your laundry room, you can keep it in the hallway, in the bathroom, which is makes it easier for your kids, but on deal today. And the reviews are so good. If you're looking for some new kitchen glassware, you can snag this 12-piece glass set, 30% off, bringing it under $14, which is such a crazy deal. And I love that these have these snug fit lids, so it helps whatever you put in there, whether it be leftovers, not to kind of leak that smell in your fridge, which can kind of make other foods have a weird taste too. So crazy deal. And we all need new baking sheets from time to time. We actually had a little incident with bacon and we ruined one of our baking sheets, so added these to my cart. You're getting a 3-piece non-stick baking sheet set, originally $29, now down to $17. So just a kitchen must-have. I didn't think that I would like these little baggie organizers as much as I did, but it really makes all of the difference. 38% off, originally $30, now down to $19. It has 4 different slots that basically cover all the baggie sizes you would need. You can put this in your pull-out drawer, and it just looks so much more aesthetic. There's less boxes, less clutter. If you're on the hunt for a new microwave, the best-selling Amazon Toshiba brand has over 53,000 star reviews, 27% off, originally $150, now down to $109. And just in general, there's some really great kitchen deals that have already started. If you struggle to make hard-boiled eggs like I do, you need to grab the rapid egg cooker. So it can fit 7 eggs in it, which makes them so much easier to peel. It just is designed to do eggs as opposed to putting them on the stove and boiling them. I feel like it always goes wrong. I lose like half the eggs when I try to peel them. them. So 15% off, bringing it under $12. This was actually an item I was very excited about. The things when you're an adult are these Rubbermaid containers. They are the 95 quart. You get 4 of them. 15% off, which brings them about to $109, but these are great for storage. I've actually wanted to get 2 of these bins for my 2 kids. I wanted to start putting like special memories, things in there, and just to have them. I feel like time is going so fast, and I saw this really cool idea on Instagram about using these Rubbermaid containers for that, but also just in general for out of season clothes, for bed sheets, things you might have for holidays. These are just great to have on hand. And a new discovery this year has been these pull-out drawer organizers. If you have like a coffee cabinet where you just have lots of mugs, maybe tumblers or water bottles, these are so easy. You just pull the sticker off, you paste it down, and it just makes an easy pull in and out drawer, which honestly makes all of the difference. I am hooked on these. Depending on what size, it's going to depend the percentage off, but we're seeing them on major deal across the board. And then if you need a big stainless steel style wok, I love to use these for making chicken fried rice. If I have a group of people coming over, these are just essential to make larger amounts of food. And it does such a good job at like heating it evenly as opposed to trying to like use smaller pans and it just gets all messy. So 25% off, bringing it under $52.